Hello everyone, I'm your 3D modeling teacher. This 2024 Inventor Professional Versions Application Options. At first, close this window and click the Application Options. And then you can see many Options tab. At first, General tab, you can choose the File New dialog check. And then text appearance arrival, I recommend to you just 9. And then notation scale is 2. That's it. Move to save, just 10 minutes. And then file and figure out the feature temperature. And then you can inch or millimeters and ISO or INSI. Okay. And then colors. Colors recommend to you just presentation, white background. And then display. In display tab, just click the use application setting and click the setting. And then visual style is clicked, choose the shadow with edge, and then texture on, click, and then enable ray tracking, click. That's it. Okay, click. And then this one display is just 0.1, and then reverse direction, click, and then angle with the local coordinate system, click. Next one, hardware. I recommend to you just performance. Prompts no change, and drawing. Drawing is this one. Click, 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 and then setting, click, and then display true line weight. Okay. The notebook, no change. Sketch. Sketch is click, click, and then click. Okay. Head up display, click. Axis click, just not check. Okay. Move to part. This one, click. Click, click, click. That's it. No. Assembly. This one is click, click, click. That's it. Finally, content center is not change. Apply, click, OK, close, click. Okay, thank you. See you next time.